Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Austria-Hungary was formed. We'll begin by looking at the challenges faced by the Austrian Empire, particularly the growing demands for self-governance from its various nationalities. The empire's military setbacks also played a crucial role, weakening its power and making reforms necessary. This set the stage for significant changes in its political structure. Following the revolutions, Hungarian leaders continued to advocate for their rights, seeking a more equitable partnership within the empire. The significant defeat in the Austro-Prussian War, which resulted in the loss of influence in German affairs, further pressured the Austrian government. This military and political crisis made a compromise with Hungary seem like the most viable path forward for stability. The pivotal moment arrived with the Austro-Hungarian Compromise of 1867. This agreement transformed the Austrian Empire into a dual monarchy, creating two distinct states, Austria and Hungary. While each maintained its own parliament and internal governance, they shared crucial common ministries. This structure aimed to balance the power and interests of both major components. Under this new arrangement, Emperor Franz Joseph held the title of Emperor of Austria and King of Hungary, symbolizing the union. The dual monarchy endured for over 50 years, navigating various internal and external pressures. It stands as a fascinating historical example of an attempt to manage a large, diverse empire through a unique constitutional compromise, though it ultimately faced dissolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.